Hello students, let us go for one more problem from JEST 2014 question paper. So this is very nice problem. So they say consider a three state system with energies E and E minus 3G, where G is a constant and respective eigenstates are given. So they have given you the energies and their eigenstates. And now they're asking if the system initially at t is equal to 0 is in this state, what is the probability that at a later time t system will be in state psi f? So at t is equal to 0, system is in this state, and we want to find a later state. What is the probability that the system will be in this state? Now, first of all, because we have given the energies and eigenstates, I will write psi 0 at t is equal to 0 in the form of their eigenstate. Okay, I will expansion of psi I in terms of their eigenstates. So I can write psi I will be equal to C1 psi 1 plus C2 psi 2 and C3 psi 3. Now I want to find what is the value of C1, C2 and C3. So C1 will be psi 1 psi I. Projection of psi I on psi 1 will give you the C1. Similarly, C2 will be projection of psi 2 over psi initial, and projection of C3 will be psi 3 over psi I. Now let me calculate these constants. So psi 1 is given 1 by root 2, 1 minus 1, 0. And psi I is already given 1, 0, 0. Now let us solve this one. This give me 1 by root 2 and this give me 1, 0, 0. So this is 1 by root 2. And now next is psi 2. Psi 2 is root 6, 1, 1 minus 2, and this is 1, 0, 0. So this will give me 1 by root 6 because this term will become 0. And if I write now psi 3, that is again 1 upon root 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This will again give me 1, 1, 0. So this will be again give me 1 by root 3. So now I have the values of C1, C2. So my C1 is, so let me write now C1 here. C1 is 1 by root 2. C2 is 1 by root 6. And C3 is 1 by root 3. So now I can write my psi I expansion in terms of its eigenstates. So psi I will be now, I'll say this is t is equal to 0 state. C1 is 1 by root 2, psi 1, 1 by root 6, psi 2, and then you have a 1 by root 3, psi 3. Now I have psi t is equal to 0. Now I want to write psi t. So psi t will be each state individually. I have to apply time evolution operator. That will be psi 1 e power minus iota h cross Hamiltonian, which is energy E t by h cut. Similarly, this will be 1 by root 6 psi 2 e power minus iota E, this degenerate energy h cut, and I can write this as plus 1 by root 3 psi 3 e power minus e is now e minus 3g minus 3g t by h cut. So this is now we have psi t. Now I want to find probability of finding in this state. So let me first find the amplitude. So now we have to find out psi f psi t. So in order to find psi f psi t, I have to find this psi f psi 1. Okay, so let me find first psi f psi 1. So what is psi f psi 1? Psi 1 is this one. So psi f is 0 0 1 and psi 1 is 1 upon root 2 1 minus 1 0. So this will give me 0. So this term will become 0 if I take amplitude. And second term is psi f psi 2. So again 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 6 1 upon root 6 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 1 1 1 minus 2 comma is not there, and then you have a this is uh, psi f, sorry, psi f is 0 0 1. So you have to write here 0 0 1, and then you have a psi 2 is 1 1 minus 2. So this term 0 0 minus 2, so this is minus 2 by root 6. And the last term is you have psi f psi 3, which is 1 upon root 3. You have a 1 0 0, and then you have a 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this will give me 1 1, so 1 upon root 3. So let me now calculate probability amplitude. So probability amplitude psi f over psi I. Okay, so that will come 1 upon root 2 psi f over psi 1 e power minus iota e t upon h cut. Then you have a 1 by root 6 psi f projection of psi 2 on psi f e power minus iota e t h cut. And the last term is 1 by root 3 psi f projection of psi 3 onto psi f e power minus e minus 3g upon h cut t. So now just we have to use these values what we have calculated. First term is already we have seen this is 0. This term is 0. So first term becomes 0. Second term becomes 1 by root 6 and its value is minus 2 by root 6, and you have e power minus iota e t upon h cut. And then last term is 1 by root 3, and this is also 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and you have a e power e minus 3g t upon h cut. Now we can find the amplitude, and from amplitude we can calculate the probability. So now this will be give me what? This will give me minus 2 by 6 e power minus iota e t upon h cut, and this become 1 by 3 e power minus e minus 3g t upon h cut. Now we can simplify. This is 1 by 3, so I can take 1 by 3 common, e power minus iota e t upon h cut common. So this gives me minus 1 plus, I have already taken common, this is iota. Iota is everywhere. Iota is everywhere. Okay. So iota e t h plus I already taken common. Now so this becomes plus, minus minus plus. So 3 iota g t upon h cut. This will be remaining here. And if I solve it further, this gives me 1 upon 3 e power minus iota t upon h cut, and minus 1 plus cos 3 gt upon h cut plus iota sine 3 gt upon h cut. Now just we have to take the amplitude. We have amplitude. Now just we have to take probability. So probability will be amplitude square final state. Just we have to take the amplitude of this number. So this will give me 1 by 9. This will be psi star psi, so this will disappear. And now this is the to take amplitude of this one square. So this will give me minus 1 plus cos of 3 gt upon h cut square, x square plus y square, so this is complex number, and this will give me sine square 3 gt upon h cut. Now the last step. So the last step, you have to just solve this one. So this comes 1 by 9. Open this one. This will give me 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos 3 gt upon h cut a plus b ka whole square. And then you have a 1, 2, and then you have a cos square 3 gt upon h cut. Here you have a sine square 3 gt upon h cut. This will give me 1, so 1 will become 2. So 1 by 9, and it become 2. 2 I'm taking common. So again it will be 1 minus cos 3 gt upon h cut. And now 2 by 9, I can open this one as 2 into sine square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 square sine theta by 2. So that means 3 gt up by 2 h cut. So this becomes 4 by 9 sine square 3 gt upon 2 h cut. So 4 by 9 sine square 3 gt upon 2 h cut. So this is the correct answer for this question. Hope you understand and like the solution. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.